I'm glad to get some more DC Comics love in here. I know it's very Marvel centric, also G.I. Joe centric, which was published by Marvel Comics. The comic book was at least. Um, so we have this Batman Beyond figure. This is from Hasbro. At this point, Hasbro had bought out Kenner because Kenner was the one that made all the Batman stuff and the superpowers and all that. This is from 1999, and there's some cool figures on here. We have a virtual Joker. We have a virtual Bat, a Firewall Robin, Power Grid Batman, Netrunner Batmobile, Codebuster Batman, and Energy Surge Batman with CD-ROM. So I would like to, and the CD-ROM actually, you can see, sort of fits in with his outfit, which is pretty interesting and pretty bizarre. So I never really watched Batman Beyond. I was like, kind of a little old for that at that point. But from what I hear, it's really good, and people really enjoy it as well. I mean, I caught it every now and then. I just never really sat down and watched the whole episode. But yeah, so I guess this is all like this line. This is Power Grid Batman with his 5-finger booster shield Batlink. So I guess this is all supposed to be like kind of technology, internet, etc. kind of stuff, which is obviously very dated in 2017, but in 1999 that was pretty cool. I mean, back then people didn't really have high-speed internet. That was still very rare to have any kind of high-speed internet. So here he is. This is Power Grid Batman. And let's get a good look at him. He's translucent blue. He's got the white bat symbol. He's got all these weird spikes and things on him and little gadgetry. It's kind of sticky. So let's see. I assume this fits onto his hand. I mean, it's a big hand. I guess they all kind of go together. So see there, he has like a really big hand and some other things going on. So I guess they all kind of go together. So let's see here. Yeah, I don't think this actually fits on his hand. Oh, it fits on his back, though. Which, I mean, of course you need a giant hand on your back. That's something you need to fight crime. So, I don't know why he's got a big NES Power Glove on his back, but I believe this guy glows in the dark. So I'm going to hold him up to the light there. Yeah, so obviously very G.I. Joe in here, but you do see back there some superpowers. Those are DC. They're kind of hidden back here somewhere. I need to get this a little bit more together, but I love the superpowers line. There's a Hawkman back there, and Mantis. You see Red Tornado, a Firestorm, and a Darkseid as well. So we're in the closet, obviously, because we're gonna see this guy glow. No, it doesn't glow. It actually doesn't glow. This is not glowing in the dark. It looks glow in the dark, but I can attest that is not glowing in the dark, despite what it says. It actually says to hold up to the light. Let's go back here. Yeah, it says hold up to light, lights up with Batlink accessories. So I guess maybe you need the virtual bat with plug-in and light up interface. So I guess they actually light up. They don't glow in the dark. So that's kind of disappointing. I mean, he has his 5-finger booster shield, but it doesn't glow in the dark. I mean, that's like glow in the dark colors. That's rather bizarre, but I guess you need all of them to kind of light up, and you need that virtual bat, which I'm not going to buy unless I found it for very cheap. But either way, still a very cool figure. He's translucent. You know, he's got a lot of weird, wacky stuff, so he's kind of a neat guy. And I appreciate you watching, and hopefully maybe one day I'll get that virtual bat. We can link them all together and see what they do, and get that CD-ROM, and I would have to find a computer with a CD-ROM drive because mine does not. And yeah, so go Batman.